They have a no solicitation sign. How do we get around that? I'm just dropping in. Ideally, I'd probably like you to call them versus just drop in, but we can save that for another day. Because when you just drop in, you can see 8, 9 people. Nick, you speed, and I think you're driving a freaking Hemi, black, red eye, cat, whatever. I saw you on the police chase videos, Nick. You're a hell of a driver. Nick can probably knock out 11. I can knock out 11 calls in an hour. So there's something to think there. But to answer your question, the short answer is this. How do I avoid the no solicitation side when it is a drop-in? How do I get the conversation started? The answer is the same for both. You deliver an insight. Hey, there's something going on in the industry that everybody that's got a flat roof is having to deal with. I just want to make sure you guys were aware of it. There's a little secret that a lot of the commercial property owners are kind of sharing amongst themselves there. I just wanted to make sure you were aware of it. And then as you'll learn in the ECCP, the Easton Cold Calling and Prospecting course, how to reverse engineer that insight. Maybe it's something with, a lot of the roofing vendors out there, they're using, industry term here, subcontractors. What that's doing is delaying the work that's able to get done, and a lot of times causing blankety blank and blah, blah, blah. How are you guys dealing with that, right? It's not a sales pitch. You're making them aware of something. And when you make them aware of something, even if they say, I don't have that problem, now you can say, no problem. Hey, here's my name, here's my number. I will be here. Anything goes wrong with the subcontractors, even if you just want a second opinion or want to bounce an idea off of somebody. Now I'm going to raise my hand. Just wanted to raise my hand, let you guys know I'm out here. I live and breathe flat roofs. Anything you need, deal me in, right? We don't work with you guys. I get paid either way. It's my job to service Addison, Texas, whether you're a client or not. Right? Oh, that guy was pretty cool, man. So go in there delivering an insight. Don't go in there. The best way to avoid a no solicitation pitch is to go in there not soliciting, right? Just deliver an insight that's useful to them. Make sure that they're aware of it, and then have that insight be one where you can go, how are you guys dealing with that? And we can talk about, you'll learn on the course, but we can talk about how to reverse engineer an insight after you go through that course too. If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.